Thursday, July 21st, 1:30. I was sitting out there, started to rain. I'm sitting here under my thing I made. Working pretty good so far. I just had to lower it down real quick so that I had it up high. Sun was out. All the stuff here, this bin's usually in on top of the fridge. But yeah, pretty cool. First time it rained, the dogs were out and everything. I had the wood pile uncovered. I was chopping wood, I had to hurry up and cover that up. I do a lot real fast, but I didn't get too wet. Felt good actually. I might go stand out in it. I don't hear no lightning. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. One of these days, huh? 5 minutes after it rained, the sun's back out. All that rain did was make it muggy again. And it was the air was kind of nice sitting there with the breeze. Now it's muggy and no wind. We were having those gusts before. So I don't know. If it's gonna rain anymore or not. It's crazy. Gonna have to put up with this type of weather, I guess. That's it for now. There's a bad one coming. Got this thing all tied down. You got this corner to a 5-gallon water jug. I don't know about this though. There's nothing to tie to. I got this tied to here and there. And there then to the tire so it don't blow in on me. Yeah, let's see what happens. Got thunder all around me. To my left, to my right. Might be going by me to the north. Just raining a little bit right now.